Welcome to Murdak University, where Murdak talks about subjects like English, math, science, and programming. I will be your OIC for today. My name is Murdak, and this university will teach you everything that I like. Because why not? This university has my name after all. For you to be admitted in our university, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button and definitely like this video and go tell more people so that you can have someone to talk to when you learn something. You can learn anything from here as long as I'm interested in that topic. This university believes in only one chant. Let's make things simple.